House for sale in Maine. This, for a few moments, is the newest Maine real estate listing uploaded to Maine Listings, the MLS. This is your front entry. Beautiful treads, exposed staircase. It's kind of an open design. This house was built really ruggedly in 1950. Then about 2007 had a total renovation. A little over 1,150 square feet, but boy, it feels a lot bigger. That's because the layout is conducive to making you feel like you've got a lot of elbow room. It's bigger than an archway separating the rooms. It's really one big open room with areas. Little breakfast bar, white cabinet kitchen, and that's a gas log fireplace that was bought new, never hooked up. So your entry foyer, your living room with a nice vinyl laminate, everything flows together. Here's your back door to that private backyard. The owner has a green thumb, beautiful flower beds, lots of vegetation. You're not looking at another house out back. You feel like you're in the woods because you are, and there's waterfront. Here's your back door. There's also a half bath that you can run in and run out. Nice location for it. It's vinyl sided, asphalt roofed. Here would be the entry that comes off the garage. It's really like a car and a half. Beautiful neighborhood. We'll show you the street scene. House for sale in Maine. This, for a few moments, is the newest Maine real estate listing uploaded to Maine Listings, the MLS. So you have a half bath down, full bath up that's oversized, plus there's a laundry on the second floor. That makes a lot of sense. That's where your laundry is generated. Appliances stay, white cabinets, it's modern, that's not the 1950s kitchen. You've got some special built-ins, kind of a pantry closet. This house is just a couple blocks from the Houlton Elementary, the Southside School. You are on the edge of town, you're connected to all the rec trails. Beautiful layout. This house has a quick occupancy. Beautiful treads, nice staircase. It's all an open design. You don't feel closed in. See how the dining room had a lot of windows? They didn't scrimp, they wanted the sunshine to come in. This house is light and bright. 3 bedrooms, a laundry room on the second floor. Your laundry room is back to back with your bathroom. Smart. Your plumbing, all in the same area, just makes sense. It's over the kitchen. Big window for ventilation and to look over the backyard. You've got a beautiful backyard and it's waterfront. Full tub and shower with a tub enclosure. This bathroom is bigger than most. Big backyard, surrounded by trees. We'll go out there in a minute. The master bedroom has a walk-in closet. It's huge. This is part of the remodeling that was done in 2007 and on. Like I said, built in 1950, but steadily improved. Kind of a salt box design on this one. Lots of headroom. This definitely wasn't part of the original home back in 1950. Are you all bank approved? Are you selling your home out of state? You don't need a bank? Reach out, make comments, let's connect. So master bedroom with a walk-in closet, full bath, laundry room. Here's bedroom number 2 with a closet. It has a window that overlooks the backyard. Another window that gives you morning sun. This would get the sun in the afternoon. And also it's southern exposure. Light colors. See how there's plenty of room for a set of twin beds? This could be the master bedroom. There's like 2 master bedrooms. King and queen type. 3 bedrooms, 1.5 baths, and a lot of other features. Attached garage. Bedroom 3 on the 2nd level with 6-panel pine doors. This bedroom is on the west side of the home. I love capes. Nothing against ranches that are all on one floor and very useful. But a cape, you got an upstairs. And when you have a bath and a half, you don't need to run upstairs to hit the full bath. You've got a half one downstairs. This house is that situation. In a nutshell, vinyl sided, built around 1950, renovated in 2007. Good asphalt shingled roof, borders brown brook. Waterfront, edge of town. 2 blocks from the elementary school, Southside School. House for sale in northern Maine, Aroostook County. Here's one. It's all vinyl sided. We are at 36 Chandler Street in Houlton, Maine.